Hello everyone. Today we take you inside a local factory where an extraordinary transformation takes place, showcasing incredible skill and ingenuity. What you see here is a Warship anchor chain, a mighty link that once braved the deepest oceans and fiercest storms. But here it's given a completely new life. This isn't just any metal. It carries the strength of the sea. And now that power will be harnessed for vehicles that conquer the land. Our skilled engineers and workers are about to turn this massive chain into a robust truck axle. Every cut, every joint, and every bend is crafted with immense precision. Heavy machinery and intense heat reshape this formidable steel. This isn't just manufacturing. It's a testament to Pakistan's innovation, where old materials are repurposed for new uses, becoming even stronger in the process. Witness how a powerful anchor chain is transformed into a durable and reliable truck axle right before your eyes. This isn't just the story of a single part. It's the story of local industry and its relentless progress. As you can see, in our local factory, every component is crafted with incredible precision.
This large machine you're looking at is called a lathe machine. It's a fundamental and extremely crucial part of the manufacturing world. Here, our skilled worker is shaping a part of a truck axle. This metal piece is rotating on the lathe machine, and a cutting tool is meticulously removing material from its surface. This process is absolutely essential to ensure the axle becomes perfectly round, smooth, and conforms to the exact required dimensions. The grooves and specific shape you observe are all being created with the help of this machine. With every passing moment, this raw metal is transforming into a strong and precisely fitted component of a truck axle. It is this precision and attention to detail that ensures our manufactured axles are of the highest quality, ready to confidently travel on the roads for years to come.
Here is a drill press in action. This powerful and stable machine is specifically designed for drilling precise holes. Our skilled technician is carefully positioning what appears to be a vital component of the truck axle, likely a wheel hub or a flange. Notice how the workpiece is securely clamped down to prevent any movement during the drilling process. Now, watch as the drill bit, rotating at high speed, begins to bore clean and accurate holes into the metal. These aren't just any holes, they are strategically placed to accommodate bolts or other fasteners. These will be essential for securely attaching other parts, such as the wheels or braking mechanisms, to the axle assembly. The strength and reliability of these connections are paramount for the safe operation of any vehicle. Each hole is drilled to a specific depth and diameter, ensuring a perfect fit for the connecting hardware. This meticulous process guarantees the integrity and durability of the final truck axle. It's this attention to detail at every stage of manufacturing that allows us to produce high-quality components